From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Friday evening. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. Looking outside of Beaver Stadium right now, we have blue skies, and that is the story for the rest of the Commonwealth this afternoon. Blue skies and warmth, but changes are on the way as we see our next rain system make it into the region by Sunday afternoon. So sitting at a temperature of 63 this hour in State College, 10 degrees above average for this time of year, so get outdoors and enjoy these warm conditions while they're here. We do have those winds at a west-northwest at 18 miles per hour, making it feel quite breezy out there this afternoon. Local region temperatures are into the 60s as well. 63 here at St. College, 63 at Clearfield. Johnstown, our cool spot at 57, but still quite warm. And then looking at the rest of the state, temperatures are generally also into the 60s. Much areas all in the 60s, but we do have Philly at a warm spot sitting at 71 this afternoon, so quite warm out there. A little cooler to the north and west into the mid-50s, but otherwise a spectacular afternoon despite the wind. But we do have these winds coming out of the west-northwest at 15 to 20 plus miles per hour. Some areas are gusting as high as 30 miles per hour, so you might want to hold on to your hats if you're stepping out the door this afternoon. In terms of radar and satellite, not much going on, if anything. High pressure overboard allowing for those calm conditions. However, if we look further to our west, we do have this massive low pressure system bringing rains to much of the southern and central plains, even some severe weather in portions of Texas. But where the air is colder, we do have heavy snow falling across portions of Colorado and New Mexico, where up to 2 feet of snow will be possible in some areas. This system will be a rainmaker as it traverses across the country over the next 48 hours, but we won't be seeing snow from this system, all rain. We will need that rain because right now, much of the central and eastern portion of the state are under this red flag warning, and these are issued when conditions permit the threat of spreading with wildfires due to the gusty conditions and due to the recent warmth and dryness. And with that said, we do have the expansion of dry conditions with the latest drought monitor across much of the Commonwealth. One of the hot spots down in southwest PA now experiencing extreme drought with many reservoirs and lakes beginning to run dry. And across further eastern PA also getting into that severe to extreme drought where a lot of areas haven't seen rain in as much as 40 plus days. But that streak will be coming to an end because we do have this next rain threat coming on Sunday with that system currently impacting the Colorados and plains. But then as we traverse into the early to mid next week, we will see those precipitation chances drop off. So this might be the only threat we receive for rain for a little bit. Taking it out to Saturday, we're going to see an increase in clouds up ahead of our next system. Staying mostly dry tomorrow. The rain won't really come into our area by 4 o'clock on Sunday, where we're going to see much of the Commonwealth begin to get that to the light to moderate rain, not too heavy, but steady enough to soak in the ground, which will be beneficial. The rain will stick around into the overnight hours on Sunday before it quickly boots out by Veterans Day Monday. We have mostly clear skies with high pressure returning, and it will be in fact a little bit above average as well. So tonight, sitting a low of 34 degrees, clear conditions, still a little bit breezy, so you might want to bundle up if you're heading out to any pre-whiteout festivities. In terms of the whiteout forecast, highs making it into the low 50s tomorrow with clear skies. The wind will be dying down, so you won't have to worry about much of that wind. But as we get into kickoff and fourth quarter, temperatures will begin to take a tumble, so you might want to bundle up a little bit warmer if you're heading for the game tomorrow. Tracking your 7-day outlook, temperatures will remain on either side of average as we traverse the next few days. Next threat for rain again Sunday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Drying out Monday and Tuesday, with the next threat returning by Thursday with gusty showers possible. Anyway, have a great weekend and week ahead.